Hi beautifuls, if this is your first time watching, this is Tiffany, also known as Naturally Shycc, where we deal with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And chic is spelled S-H-Y-C-C, and that's simply how you construct classy, but we do it naturally. So if this is your first time, welcome. And if you're returning and haven't hit that subscribe and that notification bell, let's stop and go ahead and do that. But I wanted to share with you all, I love Bougie on a budget. I love authentic, but let me tell you, I will grab me a replica in a minute, no problem, and care less. So when we saw this Gucci bag right here, I said, okay, she's pretty. But I know because I switch my bags out a lot, I didn't want to pay the price. So I went to my little seller. I think I asked her on Sunday. I want to say it was Sunday. Let me look. Because let me tell you, it was like a kid on Christmas. So I asked her on Sunday, did she have the bag? No. Let me take that back. I asked her on Saturday, did she have the bag? She responded, yes, she did. She sent me pictures, told me how much it was. Baby, I paid for her on Sunday. Today is Thursday. And she came in the mail. My husband was like, you got a package? I said, I did. He was like, yeah. I said, okay. And I came downstairs and I saw this box. I'm like, don't tell me that it's the one. So I looked at my my tracking and it was most definitely. So just think, I ordered it. I paid for it on Sunday. This is Thursday. So let's break her open. And I wanted to open her with you all so you all could see too. And I got to figure out how to open it because the sis don't want to cut nothing. So mind you, this is the Gucci bag that we're going to be looking at. So while I'm opening this, y'all can check out this one because I know you've seen her on the platforms. And for me, I don't need a box. So we're pulling her out the box. Y'all saw I cut her open. We're pulling her. I don't need the box. I just want the bag. Because the box can take up space, which I don't have. So, this is she. We are we. And let's open this up. This bag cost me $280. I'm going to put the, what's him, so y'all can see I am not lying. $280. And y'all see that price? You're not paying at me. I got other things I want to do. And there's other bags that's going to come out. And the other bags I'm going to get. And this is a big bag. But I had to come on here and share her with you all. Isn't she gorgeous? She's not wrinkly, too bad, but isn't she gorgeous? Let me see. We got to do the big arm test, and she fits. Yes, ma'am. She has a magnetic close. But let's look at her. Let's check her out. She doesn't have any feet. And she has the green inside. Very lightweight. The canvas feels amazing. She's so cute. And let's see. This is the little pouch that comes with her. She is, when I tell you, she is so cute. Has it hooked. And it doesn't have a strap. I don't know if it comes with a strap. I have to look, but I have Gucci straps if I just wanted, but I doubt I'll be carrying her like that. But I thought that she was gorgeous. This is definitely a statement bag. Isn't she gorgeous? She is so stinking cute. This is a great everyday bag. Could be a laptop. When I tell you, you can put everything in here. And it's lightweight. I love the fact that it's lightweight. If you wanted it more structured, you probably could put a the insert. You could put an insert in here, or you can get the hard bottom. It has a little structure in the bottom, but not hard. So if you wanted her more structured, you could get a hard bottom. They sell them on Amazon, and I'll try to link a few of them below. Or you could probably get an insert. An insert will go in here just nicely too. So yes, I had to share it with y'all. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? I came on here no face beat and all because I had to share her with you. So that's the bag. If you want to know the vendor, let me know. Reach out to me on Instagram, Naturally Shycc, and make sure you're following me under all social platforms, Naturally Shycc. Until the next video, you all take care, be blessed. Make sure that you like, comment, and share. And until the next one, you all take care.
I just enjoy